All right, I'm running away. Well, yeah, I'm on. I couldn't see out here in the sunshine if my camera was on, but I am going to. I went and got me some buttercups today. I'm gonna put them in the flower container here and set them on my front porch. I hope y'all are doing okay today. It's in the 70 something degrees today, so it's nice out here. I'm out here without a jacket on, so I am ready for spring. I just got me 6 plants, so I got me some potting soil too. Okay. Some of these I got 2 bulbs apiece, and I'm glad. Need some water in here. Let me turn my phone down. Cause I've got I got a song that plays when it rains. I don't wanna, I don't want to have to edit my product. I've got 6 of these plants. I've got enough for 2 baskets. I've got another one on the front porch. And I'm going to take this one on the front porch. So that's what they're going to look like. They're going to be pretty. And I'm going to take the other 3 on the front porch, and I'll have to take this one around there directly. So I'll bring you back when I get ready. All right, I'm going to put one in this flower pot here, and I'll put some water in it. Get it deep enough. y'all over here. Okay. Little twig in that one. Part of my dirt, but that's all right. It's supposed to rain the next several days, starting tomorrow. That'll be good on these. Alrighty. If y'all like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching.